Yeah, people, so today we're back again in the next video. Today is Sunday. I cook some Sunday dinner, you see me? Some normal Sunday dinner as a Jamaican. Is it? So, yeah, that is it. Swim around, rice and peas and really. Yeah, I'll see what I'm going in the video. You see me? Furthermore, you see it. I see the caption, so, yeah, I eat now. Yeah, people, you see what I'm going to do, so. Flour, sugar, salt, baking flour, baking powder, and coconut powder. So this is the original way to make the festival. You see me? This is not the. When you go to the store, you see the festival mix. This one is natural. Wait. Original, you see me? All natural ingredients and stuff. This is not the one that comes in the pack. So you're gonna need it now. Some nice water and some cold water. And you want to try to be like this. So remember, you're not needing like a boiled dumpling. You see it? You need like a fried dumpling, festival. So you want to need like, come can explain like this. You see it? So you want to see like this. It's for the beginner, you see me? So it looks spoiled, right? It looks spoiled. Done. So what you're going to do this now, you add some flour to it. Festival, is it? You add some raw flour to it. So, see that? I see him do this, you know. Me can't do a better job, you know. I do two different videos. I want for people where if you see that this like it's spoiled, it's not spoiled. So I fry dumpling and festival you make. All you need to do, you can add some raw flour to it. And this one. So see, it's done already. So you want it to serve. That means when you fry this dough, and even if it get cold, or the next day, it's still gonna be moist and soft. Not gonna be hard and tough. You get me? So this is how you make it. Okay. Alright, thank you. Come in, brownie. Fun. As you can see, I'm going to see my Friday festival them. Pan low. It's a 2.5. You see me? The eye there, the fish eye. I'm going to fry 2 snapper yourself. You see me? I'm going to fry the fish eye. They want to fry low. But I cannot eat the hot fish now, so me. You see, if you don't need it, like stick it on the finger, so you can just drop it in the flour, so and take it up again like this. Now you go that. Alright, let go and check. You see it, make sure it's soak. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. Can't make it raw, you get me? Okay, that's it, baby. You call them a slow cook. You see me? Now look at this. You know, if it's that squeeze, I mash up in a two. You get me? So you can't have it in next to you and stay soft like this. You get me? You can hard it though. You see me? You know now. Yeah. Tip some brownie in this. Then we put them in it. And then we don't cook for the week, because the rice going now. Rice over here, sir. Yeah. Chicken wings done already too. So it's going to boil up for 5 minutes. I'll put it in fish here. Yeah, so you see what I'm going to say now? This is the brown show fish in here. With some coconut milk in here. You see what I'm going? So the give it already? Yeah. I will not add in them things yet. You see me? So this is our body. You see me? So I'll put it in there now. Put it in chicken behind, you see me? If you see what I'm going to stove them low. You see me, I steam them now, you know. Steam out them and them get for flavor and them, you see me? You see what I'm going there? You just use this for simmer for 10 minutes. On a low fire, 10 minutes. And done. You see me? If you want to ketchup to your one, you can. But now I don't to my one, you see me? Ketchup with the sweet taste, no want that. You get me more and stay as how it is. You see me? So just leave it on 10 minutes and while that cook, you want to look what I'm going to say, you want to shake it up. So why you do that now, you don't want it to itch. You can shake it up like this. Okay, I want it so. I have an angle, you put the 2 angles and shake it up. Chicken wings for the kids them. First of all, you see me? See my runner so. I want to look with the red rice, you know? For me. Done already. Yeah, man, people, you see what I'm going. Festival, rice and peas, some chicken wings. And you can see what I'm going to say, snapper. You want to shoot snapper, you see me? Yeah.